So past few दिन में I have been very consistent with my routine. Throughout the weekdays, I would be very consistent. But it's only when the weekends would come and now I have like an ample amount of free time that I don't know what to do with. And उन्हीं दिनों में mostly ऐसी situations होती हैं कि I'll end up scrolling or I'll end up indulging in any internet addictions. And it's always that when it reminds me कि that quote that hands are that of the devil. Now I don't know who said it, I don't know from where it is, but I do know that quote is very true. And it's not like कि अगर तुम बोर हो रहे हो then automatically you'll start thinking of bad ideas, bad habits to do. I mean, philosophers, scientists, they dwell over that time कि हाँ जब मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ तभी ही वो आइडियाज़ आते हैं, वो थॉट्स आते हैं, क्योंकि बोर होने से ही they get that creative mind working. But it's not like that for everybody. Most people, we are influenced with the modern world, by the modern world, and so much so कि at this point we now feel more attracted towards those kind of ideas of bad habits or bad things when we are bored, when we have nothing to do. And so for a normal average person I do feel like कि this code works a lot to that कि whenever you are free, it's very likely कि you will have those demonic devil kind influenced thoughts कि हाँ to indulge in any kind of internet addiction. I'm not going to be very specific, but not just internet addictions, by the way. It could be anything impure, anything bad. I mean, the main idea of my videos is normally to get rid of these internet addictions, but it's not just internet addictions. Of course, बहुत सारी different problems हैं, बहुत सारी different bad habits हैं that you can indulge in. But internet addictions is the most common thing that we can see now. That you have an addiction in your pocket. I mean, why would you not indulge in it? Makes sense. It makes much more sense for an average person. So that's why I'm always using that. But any kind of addiction, any kind of bad habit, any kind of bad thought, it normally comes when you're bored for a normal person. So this is my advice for you right now. If you have some sort of an addiction, some sort of a bad habit that you want to get rid of, you can try just keeping yourself busy enough that you can't even think about it, whilst also training your willpower, training your discipline, so that जब तुम्हें finally time मिले आज से 5 साल बाद 6 साल बाद, then you don't think about this kind of stuff, the bad habits that you're indulging in right now. Instead you think about some better stuff right now. अभी बस just get as busy as you can with improving yourself, so much so कि तुम्हें time मिले भी ना कि तुम सोच भी सको बैठ के कि हाँ उस बैड हैबिट में, बैड चीज़ में मैं इंडल्ज कर सकता हूँ. It could be anything for you. For me it could be mostly just internet addictions. For you it could be junk food. For somebody else it could be the modern world physical addictions. तो ले लो, cigarettes हो गया, drugs हो गए. There's a way to beat each and every addiction, and this is one way to go for it, to keep yourself as busy as you can कि तुम उसके बारे में सोच भी ना पाओ. And keep yourself busy whilst improving yourself. So stuff like workouts and runs and your cycle rides, just keep yourself busy with that stuff. Socializing कि तुम्हारे दिमाग में ख्याल भी ना आ सके कि मैं इस बुरी बात it sounds like I'm explaining it to a 5-year-old, but इस bad habit में indulge कर सकता हूँ. Mainly that was the advice that I wanted to put through in this video. I hope it helps you. Goodbye. Jai Shri Krishna.